What's up guys? Today I have the Snickers high protein peanut butter flavor. I'm going to give my review on it. So the bar has 217 calories, 8.2 grams of fat, 19.5 grams of carbohydrates, and 19 grams of protein. This bar also has 9 grams of sugar in it. So this isn't the healthiest protein bar out there, but it's Snickers. You can't go wrong with that. I'm going to open it up here and let you guys know what I think about it. As you can see there. It tastes like a Snickers bar, but with a little bit of a protein taste to it. A little bit of a different texture. Really good though. So yeah, definitely tastes like a protein bar, but also very much like a Snickers bar. The protein flavor isn't too strong. I would mistake this for a normal Snickers bar. It's also not as flavorful as a Snickers bar, but you can't expect it to be. It has 19 grams of protein in it. Give it one more bite and I'll give you guys my review. I really like the peanuts in it, and it's got a caramel layer in there as well. Not super strong, but the peanuts are actually really good in this. Mars also makes a M&M protein bar. The M&M protein bar is a little bit better than this, but this one has 4 grams more protein. So 19 grams of protein for this is really good. So yeah, I would rate this bar an 8.5 out of 10. It is actually really good. It's very different from most protein bars. It's got peanuts in it, and a little bit of caramel, a little bit higher in the sugar, but it makes up for it in its flavor. Thank you guys for watching.